Yan, mga idol, good morning sa ating lahat. Ayan, kulay milk ang ating tubig ngayon. Yan, kulay Milo. Yun! Lalim ng ano idol. Tahan-tahan idol. Ano kayo mahuli natin ngayon mga kaibigan? Malaki, malaki? Ah, malaki daw, malaki. Ano, kumikinig? Ala, grabe. Oh. Ala, burasi yan, burasi. Ay,
Ay, laki ay.
ah, burasi nga, idol, burasi nga. Ang lalim ng ang putik, idol. Kakalis. Ah. Eh, grabe ang laki niyan. Marami pa, marami pa.
Ay, burasi.
Ay, grabe, ang dami. Naku, idol. Ala, ang laki. Hala.
Tamo dulu.
Oh, oh, mama. Kasama yung ang idol.
Dito. Ang taas ng tubig.
Taas nga, yung putik. Hindi ko maano yung putik. Ay, grabe na laki. Hala.
Burasi.
Ay, grabe. Ang lapad, idol. Ah. Oh, mga idol, oh.
Yan, laki.
Grabe. Tsamba, idol.
Kaya nga.
Yan, masarap yung ano, yung burasi. Sarap ano yan, sabawan yan. Yan mga idol, good morning sa ating lahat. Yan, at kasama natin si Idol Anay. At dito unang hagis pa lang mga idol. Ang lalaking burasi at tilapia na huli namin. Dito lang sa gilid. You know? As you can see mga idol, tignan nyo, lalaki ng huli natin. Napunit-punit na yung ano, dala ni idol. Ay, pakawalan mo na yung idol. Pakawalan mo na yan, ang lalaki ng huli mo
This one is smaller. So
Yeah.
I threw it back.
Oh, English ah. Roger De Los Trico, shout out idol.
Kasi may nag-request, ano daw, kailangan daw mag-English natin.
English?
Kasi hindi nakaintindihan. Kasi English tayo ngayon.
Oh, so I can speak English today. Oh, because some viewers request to speak English because if I speak Tagalog,
You cannot understand.
I cannot understand. So today I'm English is spoken in dollar.
We're going to speak with tilapia.
Oh, yeah.
English only. So please, write a comment below English.
Yeah, only English ah.
We don't understand any other language.
And today the first cuts.
This my
Oh.
first show you my tilapia catching.
Oh, it's so big.
Bigger than my hands.
Yeah.
Did you see? My hand is too smaller. And this tilapia is too bigger.
Their head is size 10.
It's smaller and bigger, size 10. How
What
many
not?
kilogram? This is 10 kilogram.
10 kilogram. Oh, grabe. What amazing, huh?
Yeah. I know.
Oh?
Did you see the hangbees? The hangbees is too big.
And that one. Yan.
This one.
That one is very big.
This one is the mother.
Mother.
This one is the children.
Children. Oh my God.
I know.
Burasi. What do you call this one in English? Burasi.
This one is silver.
Silver carp.
And
Oh.
This one is titanium.
Titanium. So now you know, huh? What do you call this one? Titanium and silver. Hey my friend, how are you? Oh, meron ano? They have this is maybe Indian national.
Yeah, yeah, I told you. They are the one who request to speak English. So now we're talking English now. See? Did you see? It's putol agad.
Yeah.
You know?
Oh.
Oh. Already damaged because it's too small. And then it's hard to chew. Wow!
Wow, amazing. Oh my God.
Uy, uy.
Oy, 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 oy. Oh, be careful, my friend. Be careful. Oh my God. Yeah.
I put here. Because they are doctor later. You know what? I tell you now. I just preserve the fish behind my back because they are the, you know, the main actor in this time.
This one in my province, this is a common silver carp in my beautiful land of Isabela. Yeah. This is a silver carp.
Among others, this is fish.
Yeah. Namuta. Yan, tama nga. Si Bax Alcantara.
Sarap po.
Oh. Oh my God.
Banak.
Banak.
Banak, idol, banak.
Banak. Grabe. It's amazing, huh? Oh, maybe this is an African. Hello, my friend. How are you?
Did you see the fish? The fish in front here? You know? It's the nose.
Nose.
Nose bleed.
Good morning, Idol Anay TV, Idol Lamps TV. Yan, good morning, Idol.
That's the one I like. It's English.
Yeah, English.
I don't understand any language. You just please comment English so we can understand.
How many silver carp?
I have 4.
4. Oh,
Others titanium.
titanium. Linlin, Delin, hello mga idol, ingat kayo palagi, God bless. You understand?
What's ingat? I don't understand ingat. I know God bless.
Yeah. Okay.
Hello Ma'am Lilin Dilin, how are you? Good morning to you
Yeah.
today. Good morning to you today. Today I catch silver
Carp.
and then titanium fish.
It's amazing.
Oh, this is titanium, I told you. Titanium fish. Did you see? Did you see?
Shout out Marco D. Panganiban. Hello mga lods. Ingat po lahat.
Mga lods.
Oh, oh, grabe, oy. Uy, nakailan na tayo? Yan, ipakita natin yung mga hulatin mga idol. Ito na lahat. Oh. Ito yung iuwi namin ni Anay, pagkatian namin to. Pero kung mamaya, pupunta yung tropa ni Anay dito, mangunguha daw ng tilapia.
Meron na yan idol. Mamaya na tayo mag-uwi ng sa atin. Meron na nakabang dyan.
Ah, may nakaabang na pala. May nakaabang na pala, mga idol. May kukuha na pala.
There is any one of my friend who likes to eat silver
Carp.
Silver.
Ilan na ba tayong nanonood mga idol? Naghang kasi yung cellphone natin kanina eh. Hindi na makita kung ilan yung nanonood na. Nag-stop up. Na. Ay, grabe na laki na idol. Shout out mga bakla. Oy boy, Katox, kailan ang balik mo idol? Wala na.
Miss na no.
Nakakamiss na magbanting-banting tayo. Wala na yung overnight natin sa Kubo. Sinakop na ng ibang grupo yon. Miss ko na kayo. Balik ka na idol, miss ka na namin dito. Wala na, yung camping-camping natin nila ano, Jong.
Ito mga lodi, balik na natin.
Oh, balik na yan. Shout out ka, Tox. Nulit Barkira. Yan, balik. Mga idol, marami tayong mahuling malalaki.
Balik na natin mga lodi, 4. Maraming salamat sa nagtambay sa ating live stream. At sa mga nag-share, maraming salamat po lagi sa suporta. At syempre, huwag kalimutang si Idol Lems Big TV ha.
Yan.
Busog na ako mga idol. I catch mini fish.
Yes.
Bye-bye po. God bless po sa ating lahat.
Bye-bye.